Monday, and it's time to talk technology, and that means Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us once again. Hello, Luis.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
Doing really well. I've got a great story that you sent me that we can talk about, and it's from the Motherboard column, techbyvice.com, and it's about the U.S. Army preparing for a 40-drone swarm attack. So, Luis, you've got a military background, and you know some of this stuff. What exactly is going on with drones being used in a military manner, and why is it so concerning to the Pentagon?
It's concerning because the Ukraine-Russia war has demonstrated that drones are now a staple of warfare, and that our troops are going to be facing adversaries who will be using small drones to do all sorts of things, including reconnaissance, some of them carrying missiles and bombs, some of them even carrying machine guns or other weapons that can be used on ground troops. And the problem with drones is, unlike larger aircraft where they're easily seen, you can use shoulder-fired missiles to take down a fighter or ground attack aircraft or a helicopter. Drones are not as easy to shoot down. And so the Army has decided that they need to incorporate drone attacks as part of the training that troops go through. So they've started to use drones that are equipped with things like cameras. They have this thing called Miles, which is think of it as like laser tag. Mm-hmm. It's designed to shoot a laser that would hit a reflective vest that the troops would wear to indicate whether they've been shot or hurt or injured by these drones. And it's a whole new level of warfare that the troops are having a hard time trying to deal with.
And I guess apparently there's no widespread Gatling gun type of thing like a CWIS gun that they can use against these at this point. I guess they're kind of working on that concept, but that's a little bit down the road.
That's the whole idea behind this training is like, okay, let's figure out what the drones can do and let's figure out how to counter them, because it's for sure after what Ukraine demonstrated against the Russians that we're going to be seeing drones as an active part of warfare in the future.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com, @AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.